Hello everyone, so today another video about Citrix Director, and today we just want to do a simple thing. We want to autofill the domain so that your not users, your help desk does not have to type the domain. So we will change a little bit of the configuration so that here in the domain box you will have the domain always written when you try to log in. So normally you log in like this. You need your user, your password, and here your domain.com. Okay, and you should be able to log in. Okay, so and then you can do your stuff. But for some users, this is too much to type also the domain, and you want to help them a little bit, and you want to autofill this this part, and you can do that by editing one file. So this logon file, I did create a copy so that in case I mess it up, I can fix it. I would edit this with Notepad++, because it's much, I can see much better in this file. So I already searched for this part. So in here where you need to search for this exact text, and you will find it in the file, and here you just need to add your domain, and you can do that by just typing let's see, I have to have a space, and you just need to type text and equal your domain. My domain is testlab.com, and this is it. This is the only thing that you need to do. In the Citrix article, you will also find another thing that you should write, but from what I did see in my tests, this is enough. You just need to save. You need to reset the ISS reset. This will just stop the service and restart it. And then when you reload the director, you should have the domain already written here. So we have testlab.com, and we try another login, password, and here of course you can delete this and write whatever you want, but it's okay. So I messed it up. Let me refresh. Okay, so it's written again. Okay, and then just type the password and log on. In case you have a complicated domain to write, I don't know, this is much easier for you, and of course for the help desk, because the help desk will be using the director most of the time. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me just share the also share the article so that you can search it by yourself. Where is it? My Chrome. So this is the article, and here you have the same steps that I showed you, but they also added randomly through. I don't know why, but it works also if you only add this part. Okay, this was it. Short video, but a useful thing to do. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, if you liked this, of course.